Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to loop a PowerPoint presentation. This is actually quite simple. First I open PowerPoint and here I have a template from Microsoft. Now I want to switch to a continuous loop. How do I do that? I change to the tab Slideshow and in the group Setup I click on Setup Slideshow. In the Show options I have to check the box Loop continuously until Escape. Now I press OK and the loop is turned on. But we are not finished yet. It is important that we now set the appropriate times for the transitions. For this I switch to the Transitions tab and on the far right I have to check Advanced Slide After and set a suitable time. By default PowerPoint sets very short times, often even less than a second. This is not good because you can't view the slides well. For testing I set the time for both slides now to 2 seconds. And now we test this by pressing F5. And as we can see, our presentation repeats exactly as we want it to. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.